Okay, so next up, it's so funny because my producer Jonathan and I were down in like my dressing room wing, and we were going through the show and what's in it, and we just mentioned that this was in it, and all of a sudden Allie Carr goes, "I love those!" This is something that Allie Carr and her family have and they use and they play with all the time. This is Coleman City Bonfires. It's a 2-piece outdoor tabletop s'more maker set. So instead of going out to the fire pit and getting all that wood, hoping that wood isn't wet, that it's nice and dry, getting kindling, tending to the fire, making sure little hands stay out of the fire. This is the solution when you just have to have that s'mores, or you need that ambient lighting, or maybe you're camping and this works as like a little mini stove. This is so much fun. But we are in our final quantities. There's no reorder. It's $19.99 and it's a $4 easy pay. Those easy pays go away at the end of the show. So this is K84044. What you are getting, you're getting 2 of these. They are like little mini outdoor stoves. You're just going to ignite each one of these. Each one is going to give you up to 4 hours of burn time. But whether it's tailgating, family fun nights, and you want to all get bundled up, you still want that s'more over a true fire, and you just want to make the marshmallows all toasty and the chocolate all melty. In addition to the 2 that you're getting, you are also getting the skewers. I think you're getting 4 skewers. Doesn't really say, but they gave me 4. Yeah, you're getting 4 of these skewers, and you just replace the little sticky stick part with the bamboo. But that gives you like a nice, safe way of toasting your marshmallows. But maybe you're doing like a taco night, fajita night. You just want that nice ambient lighting outside. It's like little. It's exactly little mini fire pits. So we have 1,100 of these remaining. It's transportable. I love the story behind it. It was 2 dads who were neighbors during the pandemic who were just outside with their family all of the time, but they found themselves building these big old fires to make s'mores in the fire pits, and then like the fun lasted for just a couple of minutes and then they're stuck with this big fire. What's great about these is that when you're done, you just put the lid on top to snuff it out, and then you get to reuse it time and time again, up to 4 hours on each one, and you are getting 2 of them. This can even be emergency kit if you want to do like an outdoor sort of wine pairing charcuterie board. I mean, for one, I live in an apartment. I have a nice, really large patio, like huge patio, but I can't have a fire pit out there. I can't. And you know what else I don't have, which is very strange? I'm the only apartment in the entire complex that somehow I don't have a light outside of my apartment in my on my patio, and it gets really dark out there. So a little bit of ambient lighting. Maybe now even I can do s'mores right here because this isn't a raging fire. This isn't something crazy. This isn't something that's dangerous. It is true fire, but this is portable and it's on the go. If you're a hiker or a camper, maybe this is something that you want to bring with you. The skewers are 6 inches in length. The bonfire itself is 4 by 2 inches. Oh, this is how it's made? I don't think I've seen this before. I don't know how to narrate it because I've never seen it before. But it looks like it's made real nice and easy. And it's just fun and it's effective and it's shipped right to your door. $4 on an easy pay. So let me just remember, you're getting 2 of them. Each one burns up to 4 hours. God, those fajitas are making me really hungry. Between the nachos Marissa Brainy was making and then all those fajitas are showing right there. It's cute, it's portable. I mean, in its inception, it was meant for s'more making, which is why you get the skewers right with it. You just have to replace the little stickies. But again, 4 hours, 4 hours. This is what it looks like on the inside, portable on the go. It's K84044. Okay. Germac time. Celebrating 100 years.